Hey everyone, Happy New Year, CardMechanic here, and today I'm going to be showing you the most basic coin matrix. Let's do it. Now check this out, I have 4 coins here, and I also have these 4 cards. Now I'll start off by putting 1 coin in each corner, and then I'll cover each coin with a card. So we'll have 4 cards, 4 coins, everything should match up quite nicely. Okay, now check this out. We have 1 coin here and 1 coin here. If we just do this, you can see 1 coin jumps from here to there. Now watch me do it again. And this time really listen. We have 2 coins here and 1 coin here. Now if we just do this, you can hear when the 1 coin jumped from there to there. Now one last time to get all the 4 coins underneath 1 card, you'll see all 4 coins are now under 1 card. Now starting this trick off, it's actually quite simple. You're going to need 4 coins, not 5, not 6, not 3, but 4 coins. And you're also going to need 4 cards. I just like using, 4 of the same card just for fun. You can use 4 of whatever card you want, or like an ace, a 5, a 7, just go crazy. Because they're only going to see the backs of the card anyway. So now you're going to start off by putting the coins in 4 corners, almost creating a square or a matrix, hence the name. Now you're going to place cards on top of each coin. Now while placing, check this out, alright, we take 1 card here. I'm going to take 1 card, place it on top of this coin. So under this card, there's a coin. That's been placed. Now I'm going to come over here. I'm going to grab this coin between right under these cards. So these cards are here, I'm going to grab this coin. So it's here. In the action of me putting a card down, I'm pushing with my middle finger. Where's the coin? So I'm pushing with my middle finger, so this hand is able to grab the coin here. Okay? So I'm going over like this, pushing over, grabbing with my other hand, and putting this down. So now the spectator is going to think there's a coin under there, when actually the coin is now here. Okay, now for this one, when you're putting the card down, you also want to take the coin along with it and put that all down. So now this, to start with, already has 2 coins underneath. Okay, you also want to make sure you're not flashing the coin like this when you're putting it down. That would cause a major problem. So there, and then you're going to put the last card on top of this. Now generally what I do, I don't think I did it in my performance, but generally what I do is I give it like a small spin or like a flip, and then I flip it over just to show that there's no extra coin that I have, and there's nothing, I'm not holding anything. Alright, so to start off, you're going to shift these cards sideways, and you're going to come over with your thumb, and then this is the right hand here. You're going to come over with your thumb, and of course, again, this has 2 coins here. Just square them near each other. You're going to grab one of the coins with only in this hand, and you're going to lift up. So you're holding 1 coin right here, and you're showing that this card has 1 coin and this card has 1 coin. So you're going to show the spectator there's 1 coin, 1 coin, and you're going to do like a special rub or something, and while you do that, you're going to grab this coin. So boom, you do that. Now one thing I like to do is when I drop, I like to tell the spectator to hear for the noise, because before I didn't used to do that, but then I realized people heard it anyway half the time when I did it because I wasn't super careful with it. So they heard it anyway, so I just told them to listen for the moment the coin jumps from this card to here. And then you back off with both cards. Now remember, this card has 1 coin underneath, this card has nothing underneath. So you can throw that over to the side, and now we'll tell them we're going to repeat the same process again. So we have 2 coins here, and we have 1 coin here. Same process, grab, shake, drop, show, 3 coins, and nothing there. And now for the last one, you can't really show 1 and 3, that would just be, because there's actually no coin here, so it wouldn't make any sense. So you're going to come over here, you're just going to show we're going to get all 4 coins underneath 1 card. And there you go. you can show your hands completely clean, the cards are completely clean, and you show all 4 coins have appeared under 1 card. And that is how you do the most basic coin matrix. So that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Just wanted to start off the new year just by doing something a little different. So hope you guys liked it. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out my social media links down in the description below for all my status updates. And I will see you in my next video. Welcome to the end screen. If you liked the video, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and subscribe because subscribing is good. Thanks for watching.